Hey guys, today we're working on elevator assembly step 12. What we're going to do is take elevator rib 2. This one's for the left side. It's got the flat piece here for the trim tab. We're also going to take elevator hinge bracket number 2 and put it on the front side of the spar and go through the same holes as the rib 2 and through the spar. We'll click on that, and then we'll also click in this trim servo bracket to mount the trim servo to control the elevator trim. We'll go ahead and get started on that, then we'll go over and do the right side, which it has just a few different parts. The right and left parts are slightly different because the right side does not have the trim tab. So we'll do the left side first, then I'll take you over to do the right side, and then at the end we'll put some edge protection on for the trim wire. All right. Alright guys, I just finished riveting the left side. These 3.2 by 8 millimeter, the number 142 aluminum domed rivets. I believe I put them in backwards. I think you're supposed to rivet them coming through the spar this way and coming through the side this way. I'd already started them by the time I read that. If you look over here, I don't think it's going to interfere with anything. And then let me walk around. We'll look on the inside of the spar. So there's the 4.0 rivets that hold the hinge bracket as well as the rib 2, and then here's the back side of the rivets, and also, yeah, just right here. So I don't think it's going to interfere with anything because I don't think anything's going to stick out past here. If it does, I'll have to drill them out and put them in the other way. But I've got the left side done. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the right side, except we're not going to have a trim servo bracket. We're only going to have this rib 2 for the right side. You see it comes all the way down to a point, as well as the number 2. Okay, now for the last part of step 12. Right here, this lightning hole is where the trim wire is going to pass through, this smaller one on this side. What we need to do is install this nylon edge protection. That way it doesn't wear a hole in the wire and short out the trim servo motor. So I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick.
For real-time updates on the build, please follow me on Instagram, Brads_aviation_channel. Also follow my builder's blog at bradslingtsi.wordpress.com. It took 1 hour to complete step 12. Total time so far, 58 hours, 15 minutes. Please like this video. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comments below. Subscribe and hit that bell so that you'll receive notifications. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next week.